Yeah, close it. We'll look at that in a minute. Don't put it next to CJ. Put it on the other side. Other side. Thank you. Ooh, nice cookies.
Yeah, it's for you to make cookies. Let's see. Ooh, this is for me.
Nice.
I like those.
Nice.
Let's see what else we got. Ooh, for making sandwich.
Yeah.
Delicious.
Delicious. Put this stuff on the other side from CJ, honey. If he falls down, he'll hurt himself. Put it on the other side of you.
Ooh, another one.
Another cookies?
Yeah.
There you go. Put it way down there.
Ooh.
Some more sandwich stuff?
Yeah. Let's see. Ooh, a big one.
Nice.
Okay, let's see what. Food like cheese for macaroni.
Yay. Nice.
Yes. Ooh, for mommy. This for mommy.
It's for mommy?
Yep.
Nice.
Ooh.
For mommy?
Or that's for me. Ooh, another one.
Nice. Ooh. Got a horsey? That's from Grandpa.
See, it's a hurt here.
Nice.
Can I give it to CJ?
Yeah, sure.
Here you go. Ooh. See.
What's that?
Ha.
Oh, cool, with the horsies.
Yeah.
Nice.
I'm sure we play it.
Okay, we'll play it later. Yeah. Anything else in the box?
No, but that's
Okay, tell Grandpa and Grandma Janet thank you.
Thank you.
Say I love you, I miss you.
I love you. I miss you.
Look to the camera.
I love you. I miss you. Thank you.
Sweet kisses.
Sweet kisses.
We love you.
We love you. I'm thirsty.
Love you, Grandpa. Bye.